Question 19. The diagram shows a regular pentagon and a regular hexagon which overlap. What is the value of x? Just like drawing a clock, learning how to be able to draw out a shape. I'm not that happy with that one, so I'm just going to change that pentagon. Slightly better. Is good practice. So we've got a picture of a pentagon, then we've got a hexagon. Now the hexagon, lines are going to come down here, here, across here, here, and here. So I have a pentagon here and then a hexagon just here. I'm trying to find this angle here. There's certain key information that we know about the internal angles of a pentagon, a hexagon here or a pentagon here. I like to be able to put them as a table. I find that logically it makes sense. So this is the number of sides of a shape. Now we're talking about regular shapes here. So the sum of the interior angles is 180. And they count up by 180 each time. And then to find out what one internal angle is, we divide it by the number of sides. So therefore, the internal angle inside a hexagon is 120 degrees, and the internal angle inside a pentagon is 108 degrees. So with that information, what we can do is we can look at this interface just here. I'm actually going to draw a dotted line along here. A dotted straight line. So that's that dotted line. Then the straight line for the hexagon. We have the pentagon, which is here, and whatever this angle here is actually the same as this angle, because the pentagon has its base across the bottom. It's a regular pentagon, so therefore we're looking at this angle just here. That whole angle for the pentagon, we know is going to be this 108 degrees. So that whole angle is going to be 108. But what we've got in here is one more line that comes down, which is the angle of the hexagon makes. It's that line in there. So the whole thing is 108, but we need to find out what just this bit of the angle is here. This bit is at x squared. So I'm going to look at it as angles along a straight line, sum to 180 to begin with. So I'm not going to think about this for now. I'm actually not even going to think about this line here. Let's just consider this as it is, like this. We know this one is going to be 108. We know that these two are going to be the same. So therefore 72 divided by 2 is 36. Each of these are going to be 36 degrees. Now if I draw that one out again, we know that this is 36, this is 36. We know that the whole thing is 108. So this going from here to here is 108. But we want to know what it is between here and here. So I can work that out in a number of ways. I'm going to say, well, actually, I know that all of the blue is 120 because that is the angle inside a hexagon. That's this angle here across the whole of that. And I'm going to go 120 subtract x is going to be 36. That's the 120. Oh, sorry, that's wrong. 120 goes to here. This is x. So 120 subtract x is going to equal this 36 just here. And therefore x is 84, which is indeed B.